Alright, we got the battery swapped. There's a truck coming up on me. I hope they don't think I'm in distress or anything. Oh, they're just getting their mail. They must live here. Alright. I'm gonna ride to the end of the... with the way that water I saw in Waterloo yesterday was, I may not cross the water crossing here. Oh, I should have done a middle button on my jacket. I buttoned an upper button. Ooh, a horsey just standing there. I'm terrified of horses. Anything that is faster or heavier or bigger than me is something I just usually try not to fuck with. Yeah, like even like this, I mean, I'm doing like 35, 40 on gravel. It's a little unnerving. This is scary. I didn't have to cross any cars last time. We'll go ahead and seal the helmet against that. So I did look this up a little bit online before I came out here the last time. And I think to the right there is some more stuff to go explore. But the main one is this one straight across here. I don't think there's anything interesting to the left. I probably could have survived not sealing the helmet just for passing that one car. I do have to remember that when I do get to the water crossing, if I choose not to go across and turn around, that I should do it not on a fucking hill. Or at least if I do go across and still change my mind, I should also do it not on a fucking hill. I nearly dropped the bike in front of someone who was trying to get by. It was really embarrassing. I crossed the water and then I thought about it. I was like, this is far enough and I should go back. And I just completely didn't realize that I was on quite a steep incline. And then decided to turn my bike around. It was really dumb. Here we go into the forest. It's fun to accelerate through this shit, but coasting is fucking terrifying. Yeah, this creek goes the whole way across. It'll probably not come across on camera how fucking cool it is. I remember more rear brake on this kind of shit than front brake. Don't want to wash out the front. You know, like accelerating feels fine. It's the holding my speed. Ba-boom. I probably should be standing. It's probably what everyone who does this shit, who's watching or does eventually ride with me, will be like, you gotta get up on the pegs. Oh, it's still kind of scary. I should probably practice on the road first. Bixby State Reserve. I don't know what gear is right here. Yeah, that crevice down there is really cool. There's a cool little bridge, you could call it, right here. We'll hop off and check this out. I took a couple pictures, but I don't think they really did it justice. Nature is cool. Yeah, but there's this, I mean, it looks like a road. I don't think you can call this a road. Is this a B road? Is that what B road means? But, yeah, this is just here. I feel like there was water flowing through here a couple days ago when I was here, so maybe it'll be lower at the crossing up the way. Oop, I should get out of this guy's way. They seem friendly. Let's see if I can finish this road off. Yeah, people like live out here. Like, this is the road to some people's driveways, which is kind of crazy to think about. So many cool spots. If I was more adventurous, I might go climb as a person. Ooh, this is new. That was cut. Oh, it probably came. Oh yeah, storm knocked that down. I have to imagine people around here probably just have small saws in their trucks and shit, because this probably happens all the fucking time. Like, that rut is scary. Oh, this is scary. Ugh. Here's that water crossing where I turned around. I bonked my foot on one of these rocks and tried to go into that mud and dirt over there. Nope, not on these tires. Which sucks, 'cause it looks really cool over there. Oh yeah, the water crossing is safe today. Yeah, I turned around like basically right after the concrete there, which was a terrible idea. And I think this ends if I just go a little bit forward. It's like not that much further up the road here. This is fun. I don't know if I'm doing it right. It's terrifying, but it's fun. I want to go faster, but I know that I shouldn't. I'm sure the traction control is helping me a lot right now, which is something I want to learn how to turn off. But I'm not even sure if I can. God, it's so pretty out here. I cannot wait to go around the country and just do this and not have to fucking answer to anybody. That's gonna be expensive, and I really don't fucking care anymore. I'll be fine. I really don't know how much further this goes. I thought it was pretty close up the road here. Yeah, so that's the end up there. Ooh, this is spooky. I'm not totally off the seat, but I'm on the pegs a bit. Oh, that was fun. I'm gonna go explore the other side, and then I'm gonna go back and get tacos. Oh, that's gonna be scarier downhill. Alright, rear brake, don't let me down now. I guess I do have a fair amount of engine braking too. I imagine if I do more of this, I'll get more comfortable. Like, I know I could go probably quite a bit quicker here, and I have the brakes and tires to slow down and stuff. But you should always ride at your own pace that you're comfortable with. You don't owe anybody any sort of showing off or showboating. People are allowed to be better than you at things, especially if they've been doing it longer. You don't have to nail it on your first try. Lots of rear brake. I probably shouldn't even be covering the front brake. And I don't think I would freak out and grab it, but This part was rough on the way up. It's gonna be spooky on the way down. Alright, hopefully this isn't someone's driveway and goes off to somewhere. No, it's just like a little stopping spot. It is pretty though. I just don't want to freak out those people if they're there. Well, I'm glad I came back here. I took a couple pictures. Now I have a video. Yeah, that rut is really scary. I did want to look at this more. Oh, that tree got jonked. I bet that made some really cool sounds. Or did it make a sound? Was there anyone here to hear it? Oh, this is really fun. I know the traction control is absolutely saving my ass right now, and I shouldn't rely on that. But it is fun. I was talking with someone, I guess, hey Robert, if I send you this and you end up seeing it. Someone helped me out when my kickstand broke the other day, and he said he used to ride dirt bikes and stuff. I said, I got an old clapped out KLX. If you got someone with a pickup, because that thing will not make it to Edgewood, but if we can get it to Edgewood, it will run on shit like this. I think he said he had a pickup, and we might talk soon about coming out here and doing some of that Hoonigan shit. Woo! Traction control absolutely saved me there. I did close the throttle, but I don't think it was my hand that saved me on that one. And suddenly doing 40 on this doesn't seem scary anymore. Maybe it really is just experience. Also, I guess it was the road in here that I was kind of uneasy with. Well, next time I'll go that way, because I think there was something over there. I mean, I'll look it up first. Ooh, that was bumpy. Whoop. Yeah, I'm fucking hungry. I'm gonna get some tacos. I might ride around after that somewhere. I don't know. I guess if it's light enough, I could still get down to Delhi. It probably won't be light enough. I could go down there and get a beer anyway. I thought we were just hanging out. I was like maybe being groomed or something by an owner, but no, Rose just chilling. Glad he's not on a leash like that dog was. I will not be asking to pet horses. Horses are scary, like I said. But I will try to pet lots of dogs. God, it is so fun that you can just ride this thing 40 fucking miles or whatever and then just go into shit like that. And then just come straight back into real life on the roads. I'm very happy with this bike.